The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is a versatile two-in-one laptop designed for professionals and creatives. Its unique hinge allows for easy transitions between laptop, tablet, and studio modes, making it perfect for sketching, note-taking, and presentations. Powered by Intel's latest processors and offering a high refresh rate display, it delivers smooth performance for multitasking, video editing, and design work. Its responsive touchscreen and stylus support make it a great tool for digital artists, while its sleek design and portability cater to users on the go.